Okay, so Daniel, you're supposed to dial 12. Please show me how you dial 12 on this phone.
Alright, so you go to 1, and then you go to 2.
Does it work?
That's making a noise.
Okay.
Can I hear?
What's the noise sound like? What's the noise
Daniel,
sound
what is the noise?
Busy tone.
Okay, Sean, you hang it up. Hang it up. Let Sean try. How would you do it, Sean?
I don't know. I don't know how to do
like?
this.
See if you can figure out how to dial. Like, how would.
Think about it. How would you do it?
My phone number was 12. How would you do it?
I don't. Wait. Hold on.
Was that the reset button?
That?
I don't know. See if that worked.
How do you do it? Mommy, tell me.
We weren't taught how to do this.
Yeah.
I just push the numbers on my phone and then it calls me. I don't even have to use the keypad.
Did it work?
Maybe I can use Siri.
Oh,
Mom, I want to see if it
Maybe the
actually.
Wi-Fi's down.
there's no Wi-Fi to the phone. There's no Wi-Fi.
He's joking.
I did it. Dang it.
I called you. There you go. I know how the phones work.
I thought I was actually getting.
He hung up on you, Daniel.
That made it work. Call until this